ArchiTwin is a Matterport integrated platform utilizing Matterport SDKs. In the past, it was very hard for the maintenance people to know exactly how many light bulbs that they need to order for certain service area, or exactly how many air duct or electricity plugs that the facility have from the architecture plans only. We provide the virtual staging platform, making it easy for our customers to create their own customized Matterport spaces. Having the complete 3D walkthrough of the buildings, they can now view the exact situation without visiting the site after hours of driving to get there. As we were getting a lot of inquiries about virtual staging, and we started creating a simple interface for people to freely import 3D FBX models and OBJ files or MP4 videos into the Matterport space to empower a customer to use this virtual staging ability more freely. We now have about 400 Matterport customers or Matterport Pro 2 customers in Japan who are interested in what ArchiTwin can provide. Having the ability to work with the Matterport SDK and also the Matterport spaces opened up new business opportunities for us.